Last year, my stone fruit trees like peaches and apricots were looking great. The leaves were healthy and I had plenty of fruit. But this year, things have changed. Now, the leaves are sticky and there are holes all over them. It's clear something's wrong. I think the strong, constant wind has brought in a fungus or some kind of disease. It's even possible that nearby trees are infected and the wind carried it over to mine. Neem oil helped last year with some minor pests, but this time it's not enough. The problem seems bigger, and the sticky leaves show that the trees are struggling. So I'm going to order a proper copper-based spray from Amazon to treat them. Copper spray is better for fighting fungal disease on stone fruit trees. If you grow in stone fruit too, keep an eye out for these signs: sticky leaves, holes, or leaf curl. Treating early with the right spray can save your harvest.
3rd of June 2025. Come on, summer, where are ya? It's been like this nearly 4 or 5 months. Raining, wind, rain, wind. It's caused a lot of damage onto my stone fruits, especially this nectarine tree. Look what happened to it. The wind and the rain brought some sort of fungus disease onto the stone fruits. It's made the leaves go sticky and holes in them. I believe it's called shot disease. Here we are, another one there. At least I'm going to get some fruit this year. The apricot looks fine. They look fine. It's damaged this Saturn peach, as you can see up here. And look, last year this had a beautiful foliage on and full of fruits. It's starting to affect this one now, Avalon peach. It's the wind. See, I feel sorry for the people who's got the allotments. I wanted to get allotment, but it's about 4 or 5 years waiting list. There is that shot disease. I can't see any caterpillars or any insects on this. Well, the ants must be in their nest, because I can't see any ants on this. It's probably got some aphids on it as well, but I sprayed it. I should prune this once the fruits are fallen off or I've eaten them. Prune it, and that should come out healthy next year. Same as this Avalon peach. Look at it. Right, I should go inside and check on my orchids, which I done a video and I was cutting the roots off, and some people commented, "You're killing the orchid." Well, I can assure you they're not dead. In fact, they look better than before. Someone commented on my video if they can grow blood orange in Ireland. Well, you can, but in the winter you have to protect them. I put them in here, in this shed, in winter, protect them from frost, snow and cold weather. And in the summer I bring them out here, and as you can see, it's flowering, and I think it's already got this. There we are, a lot of flowers. I think it's already got fruit growing on it, orange somewhere. And this is the Mediterranean tangerine or clementine. There are loads of fruits on it, as you can see. There is a little ball at the bottom of it, just there. Just there, that's the tangerine or clementine. Yeah. And here is another one. Just there. In winter I put them in there to protect them, and in summer I bring them out. Right, let's go and check the orchids, see how they're doing. I got these, I don't know the name of this rose, but I liked it so much that I brought 2 of them. I think you can even keep these indoors.